Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and well in your home. And welcome back to your next English class. Myself, your Nupur ma'am, your English teacher. And I hope you remember whatever I have taught you in the last week, right? And this is your second chapter going on, and this was the first section completed, and this is a second section I will start today. Okay, section 2. I hope you remember, and I have given you question answers and all. If you have any problem, you can ask me. I told you, right? Okay, so without delaying our time, I will continue the next chapter, means next section. Okay, the name is The Fighter. I hope you can understand the heading title. Fighter means you can understand whoever knows fighting, right? Okay, so that fight may be any kind of, right? Okay, so see whatever is there inside the chapter. See, team spirit is important in any game. Suppose you are doing any game, that may be cricket, that may be football, that may be kabaddi, that may be anything else. So you need a good team. Okay, and because team spirit, and each and everyone in your team, okay, how many players are there? Like 11, like 10, anything else. So all of them need one good spirit. Okay, and that is the most important thing in your team, in your game. Here we come across a young cricketer who plays enthusiastically for his team. Here you will get information about one player, one cricketer, okay, who plays for his team enthusiastically, from his own mind, from his own heart, and he played a good and he tried a good, right? Does his team win? Read on to find out. Okay, so we will get the answer of this question, that ultimately the team will win or not. Then we will get the answer after the completing of chapter, right? So we will start the chapter, right? See, here are some cricketing terms used in the story. Okay, here you will see some terms: pitch, crease, opener, pace attack, chasing, all rounder, long on. These are the all cricketing terms. Whoever, I think so many of you knows about the cricket, right? So you can understand these are the cricketing terms. Pitch, you know what is pitch. These are all the note some fielding positions on a cricket ground. These are given a fielding position in your book. Your picture is there. Okay, so pitch, crease, opener, pace attack, chasing, all rounder, long on. Okay, students who know what these terms mean can explain to the class. Okay, so now is your class is going in your home, right? So you can explain in your home, and you can explain in comment box also. Okay, to give me the information. Sure. Okay, so let's start the chapter, right? See, first of all, I will say one thing. There you will get a conversation. Okay, there you will see the conversation, right? See, I think the idea is great, said Rahul. Rahul is one boy. Rahul is one player. He said that I think the idea is great, and I think it is dumb, snapped Imran. Imran is one another player, another boy. Snapped means spoke rudely, okay, roughly, and Imran rudely spoke, rudely told, and I think it is dumb, but I think it is not a good idea. It is not a good idea. Then Rahul felt anger slowing rising up, and by hearing it, Rahul felt anger. Okay, anger means rege jawa, right? Rahul felt anger slowly rising up, and he's angry. His angerness was rising up, increasing slowly, gradually. Okay, but he controlled himself. But he was controlling himself. ধীরে ধীরে তার রাগটা বাড়ছিল, but নিজেকে নিজে control করেছে, right? Okay. The meeting of the NPS junior cricket team. This is the name of the team. Okay, the meeting of the NPS junior cricket team was in progress. Okay, there was a meeting, and the final match of the inter-school junior cricket tournament for the Regal Trophy was to be played the next day at the NPS grounds. Okay, on the next day there was a final cricket inter-school junior cricket tournament was there. Okay, for Regal Trophy. Okay, and the NPS would be facing the VHS in the final. They will face this VHS in the final. See, next, go to the next page. Imran was a captain of the NPS team. Imran was the captain, okay, this team. He and the coach is MS Reddy, has called the team members to finalize a strategy for the next day's match. Okay, they kept one meeting to make a strategy, a plan. Okay, to finalize that strategy for the next day match. Imran and Rahul were having an argument over who should open the innings, and they have started one argument that who should open the innings, who will start the match innings. Okay, this was a matter of argument. Rahul wanted their regular opener Greg to go 2 down. Okay, Rahul wanted their, who was the opener, Greg. Okay, regular opener. He wanted to give this opportunity Greg to go 2 down. Imran, the VHS, has the best pace attack in the city, and Imran, the VSH, has the best pace attack in the city. Both Krishna and Manjit are very quick and accurate. Krishna and Manjit, they were very quick and accurate. Greg is our best batsman. We can't take the risk of sending him to open the innings. Greg is there, the best batsman. So they are telling we can't take the risk of sending him to open the innings. God forbid, if he gets out cheap, then we are doomed. See, gets out cheap here, scores only a few runs. Okay, gets up cheap means here scores only a few runs. Suppose you can see the opener, sometime the opener just went to the field, and after some minutes they are just out, right? So on that moment they make a very low score, very few score, right? See, that is what it is written here. Greg is our best batsman. We can't take the risk of sending him to open the innings. God forbid, if he gets out cheap, then we are doomed. Suppose he will make a low score, then God will not forget it, and we will be spared, and we are doomed. On that moment we will see the darkness, what we can do there, right? Rahul said apprehensively, anxiously, curiously. Okay, come on Rahul, Greg will make mincemeat of those 2 clowns. Make mincemeat of means here easily defeat. Okay, hariye deva. Okay, come on Rahul, Greg will make mincemeat of those 2 clowns. Imran was firm. Okay, then Imran was firm. Imran told, come on Rahul, I know Greg will make a good score, right? I have decided Greg will open, and that is final. Imran told, I have decided that Greg will open the match, and it is a final. Now come up with some better ideas on how to tackle the opposition. Now it's time to see the to make a strategy that how we will can tackle the opposition, means opposite side team. I think my idea of sending Greg 2 down was great, insisted Rahul, and I still think it was dumb, Imran voiced. Okay, Rahul is telling, I think my idea of sending Greg 2 down was great. 2 down means after 2 person, after, okay, but Imran is telling, and I still think it was dumb. Imran is telling that he will open, but Rahul is telling after 2 down. Okay, see, seeing the tension in the air, Badal, the wicket keeper, said, what about the toss? Okay, there was argument was going on that moment. Badal, the wicket keeper, okay, he told, what about the toss? You know the toss, before starting the match there will be a toss, and by that toss it is defined that who will bat first or who will ball first, right? Yes. What about the toss? In case we win, should we bat or field? In case we win, should we bat or field? Should we start batting or should we start fielding? I feel we should field. Okay, he is asking, suppose we will win the toss, then what should we do? Okay, I feel we should field. That was Imran told, I feel we should start fielding. No, I don't think you are right, said Rahul. We are not very good at chasing. So we should not do fielding first. I feel we should bat first. Try to put up a good score and then attempt to ball them out. Okay, Rahul is telling that try to make a good score at the first, then we can chase, we can attempt to ball them, right? You are very defensive, Rahul. Imran said with a smirk. Smirk means it is written here, you can see, an unpleasant smile. Okay, Imran is telling Rahul, you are very defensive. If I win the toss, I will put them in, let them bat first. Okay, Imran is telling, if I will win the toss, I will give them this opportunity to bat first. I love chasing. Okay, but Rahul protested, but no buts, don't forget, Rahul, I am the captain and you are the 12th man, remember. Imran taunted him. Taunted means it is written here. Mocked means just making teasing. Okay. So Imran told, don't forget, don't forget that I am the captain. You are not. You are only the 12th man of this team. Remember? Did you remember that? He just threatened him. He just teased him. He just told him. Okay. Okay. Rahul's face turned red and he walked out of the room. Rahul was feeling very hungry and he just walked out. Very room theke. The next day, Srinivas, the best all-rounder of the team, on the next day did not report. Okay, Srinivas didn't come. Okay, did not report. He had sprained his ankle and was out of action. Okay, he had sprained his ankle. Ankles mean, you can understand, the foot portion, right? In your leg, the foot portion, ankle, right? Yeah. He had sprained his ankle and was out of action. Rahul, also an all-rounder, was the automatic replacement. Okay, in the place of Srinivas, as he had sprained his ankle and was out of action, he was not doing any action. So Rahul was also the all-rounder and automatically he got that replacement. Replacement means in one place another one is in that person is getting chance, right? James, the rival captain, okay, the opposite team, and there the captain was James, owned the toss and elected to field. And that captain owned the toss and they elected means they just agreed to field first, right? Fielding. Yeah. It was a 30-over match. Greg and Sadiq opened the innings. It was a 30-over match, and who was the opener? Greg and Sadiq. Okay. In the very second over, both were out. In the second over, on just second or very near second over, both of them were out. Imran held one end up as wickets tumbled at the other end at regular intervals. Rahul came into bat when the score was 97 for 7 in 23 overs. Okay, Imran held one end up as wickets tumbled at the other end at regular intervals. Okay, on that moment Rahul came in to bat when the score was 97 for 7 in 23 overs. Okay, so I think till here there should not be any problem. If there will be any problem to understand any meaning, you can ask me. Okay, and there you can see the chapter. It's a small one page, right? It is a long chapter. So today I will keep here till here 23 overs, right? And the next video, please watch the next video and wait for the next day. I will continue the chapter for next day also. Okay, there is a long page, long conversation, right? But don't worry, till here it is happening, so don't worry, I will give you all the meanings and all. Okay, so please keep watching my video till then. Just remember this and all the meanings, it is written here. Please try to read the spelling of all the words and meaning also. If there will be any problem, definitely ask me in comment box. Okay, or you can call me. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day.